Hello, all. My name is Krish Nayak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, as you all know, every month we do take some number of live sessions with respect to all the trending topics that are, trending specifically in the data analytics field. We started with Python, we started with Agentic AI, we started with various frameworks like Agno, PhiData, and we discussed various kind of projects. Even we had many number of live sessions in building generative AI applications, wherein we used LangChain, we used Hugging Face, and I had actually shown you in all these kind of videos. But now I have this amazing announcement. This month, we are planning to do some amazing live sessions on building agentic AI system using LangGraph. So this was one of the most requested series of videos that you all had done. And probably from the next 2 weeks, I will be coming live and teaching you specifically in my YouTube channel how you can probably go ahead and build agentic AI system with the help of LangGraph. Okay. In this video, I will be talking about what all topics we are basically going to cover in this entire live series. Along with this, what are the prerequisite, each and everything. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. And just to tell you, LangGraph is super important. If you master building agentic AI system with the help of LangGraph, I feel learning any other frameworks that probably comes up in the future, will be super easy. Okay, so let me just go ahead and probably show you like what all topics we are going to probably take. I'll just keep a light target of 1,000 guys because we are going to have this kind of live sessions from tomorrow. Um, uh, and obviously the time will be 8 p.m. IST. We will try to take the sessions for 1 or 2 hours. It depends on the topic that we are trying to cover. Okay, so to start with, the likes target. Okay, let's make it to 1,000 because all these sessions are completely for free. Okay, and if I talk about building agentic AI system with LangGraph, recently, if you know, I also had been to NVIDIA GTC, right? And over there, many of the startups, who had their booth open, they were building some amazing agentic AI system. They were using LangChain, they were using LangGraph, they were using open source models, they were using different kind of LLM models and all, right? And I could just see that what is the trend currently going on, right? In many of the companies now, people are looking on, and they're completely focused on building agentic AI systems and all, right? So whenever I talk about agentic AI system, one thing you really need to understand, there is a very common difference. What is the exact difference between AI agents? What is the exact difference between AI agents versus agentic AI, right? So this kind of topics also I will be covering in this kind of live session, right? You really need to understand, what is the difference between AI agents and agentic AI system. Many people think that these are like same thing, but this is completely different. This is completely unique. Okay, the different kind of use cases kind of things. Once you see the use cases, right, like how does an agentic AI system work, right, and then you will be able to understand it, like what is the exact meaning of agentic AI systems, right? So we will try to cover from completely from basics. My main plan is to probably take this live sessions for 2 weeks, and this live session will be done in such a way that once we cover all the specific topics that is written, then you can probably go ahead and implement various use cases. you know yes, you definitely need to explore things. Okay, it will not be that easy. You definitely need to explore things. It will be, you need to probably keep on exploring like how you can implement that and this use cases. But I'll be making sure that with this specific live series that we are probably going to go ahead, you will get a good hands-on experience so that you can continue your learning process. Okay, so as usual, the agenda will be something like this. Okay, what all things we are going to discuss? First of all, we'll start with pydantic data validation. Now, right now, any frameworks that is specifically coming in building agentic AI system, they implement this data validation technique using pydantic. So we will be going and discussing about this. This entire implementation will be with the help of Python programming language. So obviously, the prerequisite will be Python programming language. You really need to be good at that. Then we will be covering, after covering the first day will be for Python take, the next day, and I'll not keep the session daily. At least we'll take 1 day break. So it will be like, let's say in a week, 3 to 4 classes, so that your learning process also becomes good. Because at the end of the day, unless and until you don't practice, you'll not be that good, right? So next thing is that we'll start with LangGraph and LangSmith. LangSmith will be very important because you will be able to track each and everything with respect to all the agentic AI system that you're building. You'll be able to see the metrics, you'll be able to even debug it. We will also be seeing that how you can use LangGraph Studio, right? So LangGraph Studio also we will try to see it so that you get a good hands-on experience on working with this. Okay. So LangGraph Studio, it will be super important for debugging your entire use case that you're specifically developing with LangGraph. Okay. Then we will be talking about various kind of workflows using LangGraph, like how you can build use cases, how you can automate workflows itself. There are multiple different kind of workflows that we specifically use in LangGraph. That part also I'll be covering. Okay. And the final very important part will be that rags using LangGraph. How do you build different kind of rags? This is one of the most trending topic because here we are also going to use some vector DBs that are specifically in cloud. Okay. So these are all topics we will be specifically covering in. Now here you have just seen 4 different points because this will be the main 4 different agendas that we need to cover. But trust me, it will only not take 4 days. It will probably take 2 weeks. And if I'm taking, like if I'm giving a break of 1 day and probably taking up this particular sessions, then our learning process will be very much smoothly. And I will also be giving you a lot of assignments along with this. Okay. Just to give you an idea, how does that use case specifically look like, which I have specifically implemented even in my website, right? So I'll just go ahead and search for krishnaik.in. Okay. So let me just go ahead and search for krishnaik.in. And here you'll be able to see this blogs, right? So once I click on this particular blogs, and this is a perfect example of probably showing you that how I have actually automated an entire workflow without any human intervention. Yes, human intervention will also be required. So one of the topic here, you'll be able to see that while we are discussing about workflows, right, here we will also be discussing about human in the loop. Okay. Human in the loop. Human in the loop. Okay. So human in the loop basically means how we can provide feedback in terms of from a human, specific human itself, with respect to the LangGraph, like and in that specific applications, right? So every day we will have this 2 hours session. Now I was talking about the use case, and let me tell you guys, whatever things I probably learn, I try to implement directly into my website itself, right? So here you can see that these are some of my videos in my YouTube channel. And if you probably go ahead and just explore this particular videos, the entire process of the workflow is completely implemented with LangGraph over here. What we have done is that whenever I upload any YouTube video, okay, any YouTube video in my YouTube channel, then automatically my website actually creates this amazing blog along with the code, each and everything. It takes the content from the YouTube and it tries to probably show you over here, right, in the form of blog. And here this is a very good example, and this kind of workflow also will try to implement it. Okay. Even in our live classes. So here our main aim will be that instead of telling 3 to 4 people, because I see, once I upload the video, I have to probably provide that video to my content writer team, and the content writer will probably go ahead and see that particular video, probably summarize that entire content right in a better way. Here I'm specifically using some kind of workflows with the help of LangGraph, where some of the LLM models is basically used in order to convert this video into this particular blog, and it looks amazing. See, along with the code, each and everything is basically implemented, right? So this kind of work use cases also I'll try to show you, and I'll talk about like how we have specifically implemented it. Okay. Now, why should we go ahead and learn about agentic AI system? That is also super important. Okay. Agentic AI system is something where you can automate some of the important workflows, where you can automate workflows. Now, why do we automate workflows? Because there repeated task may be happening, right? So repeated task may be happening. And this entire workflow can be automated by just creating a simple way of solving that particular use case using LangGraph. Okay. Now just imagine here I have just converted that entire blog generation from a YouTube video, and right now all my workflow is basically being implemented by the LangGraph. I don't have to probably intervene with respect to any human task also, because LLM are capable enough to probably solve that kind of task, right? So that kind of use cases we'll try to solve. This will be an exciting series. Please make sure that you subscribe the channel. Also make sure to you register in the free link, because all these materials, all this content will be free in my YouTube channel, where you can probably go ahead and explore it, right? Yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. We will see you all in the live session from 9th of April every day at night 8 p.m. IST. We'll try to take the session for 1.5 hours, and then we'll be completing all this series. Okay, and all these sessions will be live so that we have much amount of interaction. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Take care. Bye bye.